Hi and welcome back. So Freebie Friday is here again. This time the turn of Renue Bioscience. This week a triple giveaway. They're giving away one bottle of their AM Energizer, one bottle of 60 capsules of their SENOLYTIC activator, and one 60 capsule bottle of their PM Sleep Restore. As always, third party tested for purity and heavy metals, and is produced in an FDA approved facility. These three products would normally cost you $179.85. As always, shipping is 100% free. So if you're lucky enough to win, it's going to turn up at your doorstep, no charge to you whatsoever. Picking a winner 24 hours after this video airs, around 9 p.m. Manila time. I'll ask my son to pick a number, and on the toss of a coin, I will count up or down in the comment section to find out who that lucky winner is. Their name and what they need to do will be posted in the community tab. So it's important you subscribed, and ideally you ring the notification bell so you know when winners are notified, but also when new videos are posted. Remember, it'll only happen in the community tab. I won't ask you to go off platform to somewhere like Instagram or Telegram. So today's question: what's the most unusual thing you've ever eaten? For me, on a visit in Nepal, I asked to eat bison meat because I eaten it a couple of times before in the UK. When I worked with the Gurkhas, we used to eat bison and ginger, which is a bit spicy, but very, very tasty. So I ate a small pot of what I was told was bison. After the fact, I then found out it was actually bison intestines that I'd eaten. I thought it was a bit chewy, but tasty all the same. So let me know in the comments below of the YouTube video, what is the most unusual thing that you've ever eaten?